An important step to maintaining good deliverability is list cleaning. Say spring is here, and you've suddenly noticed all the clutter taking up space in your house. You'll likely clear it out, taking on an out with the old, in with the new mentality. When you clean your lists, you use that same mindset. The process itself involves grouping highly unengaged subscribers into one segment and suppressing them from receiving future email sends. This will ensure that you only send to real contacts who engage with your brand going forward. Now you may be wondering, why is list cleaning necessary? Why not just keep those profiles in my list and send to everyone? Well, as you collect email leads over time, you may end up with a list that includes misspelled or fake email addresses, spam traps, or email addresses that are no longer in use. Because inbox providers track how recipients interact with your emails, when you send to highly unengaged recipients, providers may start moving your messages to the spam folder, which can hurt your deliverability over time. List cleaning helps prevent this, and instead allows you to maintain a list that is full of real, active, and interested subscribers. It's also good for your bottom line, because list cleaning improves deliverability and saves you money. Sending excess emails and keeping unengaged contacts in your account can be costly. When you only send to people who want to hear from you, you'll boost your return on investment and continue earning revenue from interested customers. So what are you waiting for? Start cleaning your lists today. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let us know by liking and subscribing so you don't miss any of our future videos. Plus, check out the video description to take your next steps as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.